Hello. So today I'm recording a walkthrough of how the CBZ Touch app would look like. So we have made a couple of changes, or maybe a couple of suggestions. We have introduced the dark mode. We have introduced a share button, fingerprint, and we have rearranged how elements are placed within the app. And lastly, we have added a quick balance check for all the accounts that will be held in the CBZ Touch account. So now here we go. So suppose this is a typical Android phone or maybe an iPhone. You just need to have your app installed, and then you just click on the application icon, and then once you're in, then you click. This will be a splash screen, so you won't have to really tap on that to log in to come to this login screen. So if you want to log in with your PIN, you just enter your PIN over here, and then you enter your mobile PIN over here, and then you log in. Or if you prefer to log in using fingerprint, then you come over here and then press fingerprint. So then you would use your phone, the fingerprint scanner on your phone, to log in, and then you gain access to the interface. So right now I'm just gonna click here. This is where I'm getting my access into entering into their phone. So this is the proposed new interface for the CBZ Touch app. So we have my account here, we have transfers, payments, and then we have airtime, insurance, and other button over here. So we have home over here, transfers, payments, airtime, and admin. So we use these icons over here so that they could be easily accessible. To the user. So for example, we're going to, since this is a demo app, we didn't create all the instances of the user storyboards that will be in the app, but we picked a few ones that we thought were really important for demonstration. So I'm just going to click on my account, just like how a normal user would do. So they would click on their account, and then they would be displayed with their name and these sets of things that would be on their home screen. And then if they wanted to go back, they can either click on home, or maybe they can click on back. So I'm just going to click on back over here. And then on transfers, so what we did with transfers is we picked internal transfers and zip it to create a few instances that would show how the app would work. So for example, I wanted to do a zip it transaction. I'll just click on zip it and then select account, select bank. So you would need to enter all the details over here. So I'll just going to click on here, and then I've filled all the information that I want to import for me to make my zip it transaction. And then when I click on send money, the transaction has been successful, and now we have a record of the transaction with the transaction number, reference, and all other things that may be needed. So this is where the new feature would come. So for example, you would want to share a proof of payment with somebody. You just need to click on this, and then it would allow you to have options to send by email, by WhatsApp, or by anything else, just to show that this transaction has been made from the CBZ app. Or if you want to take a screenshot that you can always share some other time, or maybe you want to show it to somebody later else, you can just save a screenshot, and then you're good to go. So that's pretty much about it on the zip it. So I'm going to come back over here on transfers, and then I'm going to do on internal zip it, and then I'm going to, alright, we didn't create an instance for this, so I'm going to click on send to mobile number. So we have this instance where you have to select the account where the money is coming from, enter the mobile number where you want to send the money to, the amount, and then select withdraw from. So enter our details. These are our details here, and then we send the money, and then we have the dialog box that comes up right up which says transaction successful, and then we display the message here. So this is just dummy dummy information that was put in just to show how the app would work. So just click on dismiss, you would be able to go back right into the app. So going back to the home page, I'm just going to do a quick run through. Airtime on mobile, other mobile, top up on, amount 24 by airtime, and then you get the transaction successful dialog box, and then close. Going back to airtime, top up other, then enter the details, buy airtime, transaction successful. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Go back to home. Insurance, we have this, we have CBZ Life, we have short-term insurance, and then we created an instance on this one, which if you click on CBZ Life, then you get this menu over here. And there is a quick balance check for all the accounts, because usually people want to know how much is in their accounts. So for example, if you have many accounts, we have this button over here where it says account, this account is 3,200, and then account ending, let's say 3596. So if somebody wanted to check into their own account, into their other account to see how much is there, they would just click on over here, and then they would see, okay, this account is 8,920, the account ending 2992, and etc, etc. If you wanted to add a new account, you just do it here. It's quick and easy, which is very good for the user experience. And then going back home page, let's see here, we have other, we have withdrawals, we have treasury, CBZ treasury, we have CBZ asset management. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you wanted to do some other items, we can come here to add mini, balance, inquiry, account statement, cards. You can add beneficiaries, security, where you can change your PIN, where you can change your fingerprint, where you can deregister your mobile services. And we also proposed a dark mode where the app would change the interface from this white into a darker mode. So some people really don't like to use a brighter screen, so they would be comfortable using something like this. So this is why we made this. And yeah, that's pretty much it that needs to be done over here. Okay, just a quick second. All right, sorry about that. So yeah, just come back here. We can see if you click on admin and then we click on log out, and then we come back to the home screen. So this is pretty much about it. These are just a few of the suggestions that we have made for this demo prototype that we are making. But given more time and given your approval, we would be able to create a more comprehensive solution for you, which shows all the screens and everything that's going to be happening in the application. So just to recap the features that we have added a dark mode, we have added a share option, we have added the fingerprint, we have rearranged the user flow of data in the application, and we have added a quick balance check onto the app. Thanks for watching. Bye.